Cooking is something that I really get to do because my nature is that I love to experiment with many things. My name is Muhammad Faiz. You can call me Hanif. I'm 20 years old. My hobby is cooking. About cooking, I cannot be said to be professional, but I can say I'm really good in cooking. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm still a student and I learn at UniKL MIIT at course BCA, Bachelor Computer Animation. It starts with cooking channel that my mom always watch. I think the name of channel is Najala Bite by Najala Lawson. Almost every day, it can be said that my mother will watch this channel, saying the cooking channel made me want to cook and produce my own recipe. I also went to travel to learn new technique and way of cooking. What is interesting when I cook is when I make some experiment in my cooking. You could say my experiment was successful, but not always. When we cook, we can feel the excitement in building something. In other words, we build a delicious meal. Each ingredient has a different and unique taste. We as chefs will combine those flavors and produce the word that every chef wants most from the eater, which is delicious. One that I test was when I found out in some of cuisine we can cook fish using citrus ingredient like lemon or lime. So I have an experiment, but I do not use fish but use chicken. I marinate the chicken with 100% lemon. After that, I try to cook to make it crispy, but my attempt failed when the chicken I cooked was very sour. I saw back to the cooking channel that I cook fish using lime and saw why it's not sour to the fish. When I think back, I should not marinate chicken with a lot of lemon. I do not have an idol, but I has followed someone cooking at YouTube. His channel is Kimagura Cooking channel. He is content with some homestyle cooking in Japan, and its cuisine is focused on seafood. I love when he cook unique seafood ingredient and the variety of tips and lessons that can be gleaned from his channel. I think I keep it as hobby only. Life fashion is not easy in a restaurant. When I want to cook in calm atmosphere. Maybe in the future I will create a channel about me cooking on YouTube. Maybe.